Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I will show you how you can change scroll effects on the home screen. So I'm talking about these transitions. You have to click and hold home screen, then tap to edit home screen, and then choose the scroll effects. And as you can see here, we got a couple of them. So you have to pick your favorite. There's one interesting option that we can go for the random or cube. I will stay with random. Then simply you can just go back, and as you can see, it's changed. Every time we change the screen, there we got the random transition. So as you can see, it's very cool and looks very funny. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.